Step into the heart of history and discovery with a walking tour in the enchanting city of Salida, Colorado, located in the heart of Colorado. Established in 1880, Salida emerged as a bustling railroad service facility on the Royal Gorge route of the Denver and Rio Grande. The town, strategically laid out by Alexander Cameron Hunt, one of the D&RG's founders, was aptly named Salida, a Spanish word meaning exit or way out of the valley. As you stroll through Salida's streets, you'll enjoy a living history. The city boasts an array of national and state historic structures, each telling a unique tale of Salida's evolution. From the stately Chaffee County Courthouse to the charming Church of the Ascension, the historic Edison Electric Light Plant, and the iconic F Street Bridge over the Arkansas River. Every step unveils a piece of Salida's captivating story. Immerse yourself in the past as you explore landmarks like the Manhattan Hotel, Kessner Junior High School, and the Salida Public Library. This walking tour is a journey through time, where every corner reveals the character and charm that makes Salida the unique city it is today.